What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, right now, I have some things to say about Shay. You see, me share some things that Annie had to say about Shay. Now me have some more, my people. You see it, Annie says Shay I send people come over her life, come friend her, and then them a bring back news, them a pretend that one bag of something, my people. So me I gonna make you hear what Annie have to say. Seen, and my people, Shay been like have the record, forget dirt, forget scoop on people where she not in and nothing with when she in a things you know what I mean. She always get the scoop on the people them what she a beef with. So how she get it? They must she infiltrate these people, you know what I mean? Send people go over and go friend them like what Annie say and try to get in. I remember in a whole heap of group chat Shay come here come expose, you know. So how Shay get in at the group chat them? I say he send people to go friend them and nice them up and get the info and come give her. You see me I say Shay I one of the most devious person pan TikTok. You have to be careful with Shay. You see me? So I'm gonna share that with people. Also Shay have some things to say. You know what I mean? I'm gonna share that. We have we have now, my people. Me can't remember, you know. But we have some interesting things. You see, we have Domidan, Ivany, and King Donia link up. But here I go, my people. Dummy, turn pan King Donia. And I make you know, say everybody have file. And him Domidan, nah go hold nobody file as no secret. And start read out King Donia file. You see me I say, we also have Rosealee, you know, my people. See, Rosealee, hold on, I have to go back in there, because I don't quite remember that one there. But we have Jakes, my people. A whole heap of beaten Jakes I get. You see me I say, a whole heap of people with the dip on Jakes side, kind of look on him side way. So this girl when name something on it, name start with a B. I don't know. I think she and Jakes there, my people, and some little foolish go on. I go watch it the same time when you now watch it. So at them time I go know what really go on. You see me? Also we have this girl that we name Cheryl or something like that, where she's a moderator for Jakes. Because Jakes come out and come address the situation with Rosealee gifting him and the co-parenting thing, and him don't have no intention of getting back with Rosealee and all these things, right? So here I go on now, my people. TikTok liar in the video before this one, TikTok liar say Jakes, right, when Rosealee give him must say thank you Hakeem wife. You know what I mean? That was cringing, she has say. You know what I mean? Him shouldn't thank her as Hakeem wife because him and them night. You know what I mean? So more do not tell more I think, although that the video me drop before this one, but you still can comment in the comment section if you don't watch it. You understand? We have some more things with people, but you don't know. You know what I mean? One not hearing the intro, definitely I go see in the video. So I could get in with people.
Auntie!
Blessing, darling. Blessing.
I know you're rich.
Ah, Jesus. Thank you for the highlight. Big up everybody over here. Ask me 2 questions about it and then you go back to your regular program.
So Auntie, she never answered to the lawsuit.
Alright, when you file the lawsuit with Spice, we serve our house, our mansion. And somebody sign it and we get the copy and so forth. You're fully aware of it, but she never respond to it.
That on last year, February, RT number 1 year that.
Yeah, but then again, to be honest, what you want the woman to respond to something she not approve or not receipt pan?
But you're supposed to respond. Then all Spice says she this and she that. I mean, I know your RT. I don't know that.
No, but seriously, if you look into the case and a liar, you know a Spice, and you go to a liar, and then the liar say, okay, since the man has sue you, prove now, say you can prove, say the man do it. You can't prove, say the liar, go say the best thing you do, try to negotiate with him.
So did she try to negotiate?
Me not take no talk. Me just want to see money. The lawyer do everything. Me no want to see her. Me no want to know. The judge make the decision. Them want to come to a negotiation. Like to come to a settlement. Me no want to settle. Me no want no. She can't afford to pay the 10 million. So them have decided if they can pay less. Me say no. Me no want to negotiate.
You just want your 10 million.
So the next move we're going to do is all the people in Jamaica make night and can make night. I'm on the case now. This is where Spice feel like she Junan. She buy all that.
Hold on the RT, because it's something. The other day when she put one her house in her son's name.
I'm going to tell you, don't the last two what's going on when she...
Yes, when she said she gave the son house for her birthday.
Okay, you sent
So me say, when Spice don't try hide her assets?
You explain, no, because you're smart.
No, me remember the other day when she said she buy her house, but she didn't buy a house. She put one of her house in her son's name.
So that to show you know, for sure you know that she, during the time of the lawsuit, she do the transfer in her name of the kids them. So therefore, me have her right there. So she shouldn't do that before the lawsuit. So me have evidence for sure that at the court case why she do all of that. Spice need to know that me's a US citizen, you know, and she depend work permit. But the long and short of it is, can you confirm to the people them say me win?
No, you wait, because she don't answer the lawsuit. It's a default judgment. She don't answer
Can you confirm to the people how much money may have on her head and she has to pay?
Yeah, she see the paperwork. Atlanta, in a Fulton County, the Superior Court of Atlanta. So it's a paperwork.
So why them feel like me dunce and feel like me ignorant? This is
your lawyer, bar number, everything is there. She never answered to the lawsuit. So of course you are going. You have to answer to a lawsuit.
No, one thing I want to tell the people who say me wicked. Hear me people, me no wicked. Me just a clear my name. I am only clear my name. The woman say me a rapist, that. Come on people, it bad for business. Me know she don't have a 10 million US dollar. Me know she
No, Jamaican people say she have it. Stop it. Jamaican people say she have it.
Well, I'm glad if she have it, you know, because guess what, me know.
But beyond that, if I want story over and over, why you not going somewhere else? Talk RT, may I listen to you?
Alright, let me just say this and leave. People, I do not sue for the mix-up wherein me talk about our kids and our life story and spirituality with me and Arena and the mix-up. That's not what we go to court for. For all these years when you hear me try cuss and say things I want to blame me for, she hear about something and use the allegation of rape or try to cover up with me and our war with. When she used that a war with, she feel like she have something for bring me down for una laugh. So she come with that and a war with me with it. Me take it up and realize that this is a serious allegation and walk in front of the court. So
that's what Jamaican people don't understand. The back and forth with you and her was between you and her. When she put the guy on her platform, that is where she overstepped her boundary. She make much million people see this young man I say RT do something without proof. So that's why she crossed the line there, so she have to live with that.
But one thing I want you to make no still, and you first me tell you, so I'm not telling a lie. I can't talk about it, but what I can tell you, they did reach out for negotiation, for settle at a cheaper rate, and I said no.
Oh, so she wanted to settle and you decline. Okay.
May I suck everything dry. Have a good day.
All right, have a good day. RT, hurry up and get the money there. I can't manage it all. That's why when I do things, but you hear what I say? The cuss between them, that was fine. They might cuss for years, but the moment she got put this young man on our platform with much million followers she have on IG. Much million people follow Spice on IG. That was it. And so she overstepped it, so. What you mean you not see a dollar? Girl, you live in America, you look like you don't have a sense. You look like you don't have a sense, not about.
And everything will bring, everything will lie, chatter for. Everything will lie, chatter for. Everything. I don't need to explain on the mother, I just my people. It's the people, I mean. It's a team vision. All me have to tell you is, there's no getting back with Rosealee. You understand? When I get back together, that wasn't, the reason.
Well, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. You know what I mean? RT Boss and Spice situation, let me know what you think about that. Now, this GX trying to explain whatever going on with him and Rosealee, my people. Hear me, I say, GX, you can do whatever you want to do, you're your own man. But for every action, there's a reaction. You see me, I say, there's consequences for every action. And let me tell you something. You see, if people, me take everything on TikTok with a grain of salt. You see me, I say, me don't know if them truth or false or whatever. So me not too believe in our one. You know what I mean? Me just give me opinion. Yes, so. Me just want me could know, so me not believe in and not know what them are going with. Alright, so here I go now. Rosealee kick you out of the house. You see me, I say yo, by the time I come back you have to leave. Ray. You never did not see it. You do whatever you do. Reaction. Seeing, but it look like she because she reached to a level in her money or something. Why she exercise her power upon you and kick you out. I don't know if you used to go on with a broker or whatever, but she kick you out. You know what I mean? On the internet she deal with your way. She never want you come out to nothing. The people then pick you up and start give you. I don't know if I plan or not plan this for all of this go down or whatever. But one thing me I say, if on a planet, the plan get FUCK right now. The plan mash up. Because you don't have nothing. And Rosealee reach where she a go. You see me I say, Rosealee have what she have. If the people then tap deal with Rosealee, you know Rosealee can turn the money where him have. Feel your money tie up in the house where you have bill. And that is no asset to a level because a family land it depend and it even done be late. You can't sell it, you maybe can rent it out. You see me I say? So it kinda is an asset, but on a level your money tie up there so. Right now you need to play out the role where you play if it's a role you play and just love Rosealee alone, you know what I mean? Say a last, you know what I mean? Make she go on where she go and you go on where you go. When you reach where you reach, then you can consider if you don't want to get back together. But for right now, love that. Let me know what you think, people.
Nah, reason not time at all about that. I can't, it will never happen. You understand? That's how me I make my people them know. Me not owe liar nothing. Me not owe liar nothing. You hear that? Me no owe Brina, nah nobody over Brina nothing. You see the people them I help me make sure so Shanta alright. And I help me sort out them roof over them head and all them something that way. And them come reason with them know so no. It not gonna be the case. So it was never the case. You understand? It will never be the case. Me and nobody I get back together and who gone shopping. I can't shopping. What do you mean by what do you mean by? I don't understand you. Grocery shopping. What the fuck? No liar. No, nothing like that, man. It's just a case where situations I meet up on situations and situation I get kind of, situation out. So, with the affair, all that reasoning there, we better youth them better, for the betterment of the youth them. So I don't really know sexual reason and I get back together reasoning and nobody miss nobody and all. Yeah, never the case. So no like when you come on for me now, please. You see, it's one and two people where always come up here come You know? Spend them 2 little coins and I appreciate it. Over there talk about how we get mass and follow. And me this and me that and how me you know some disrespectful comments I'm not even want to set up. Big up. You understand? Big up. Big up. But me kinda glad to because the people are easily convinced, can easily be manipulated. You understand? You see anybody else do have a mind of their own, me call them stupid. You see, so if you can hear this and hear that and hear this and hear that, and just hear you and hear, all of them say believe bring doubt still. If you believe, if you believe something, you have to have doubt tonight, so. But uno different. Uno believe the thing and go on like uno know. Like come here like you talk, so I'm going grocery shopping. That means you talk like you know somebody tell you something, you believe it, and you talk it like say you know say it or something. You're stupid. Fool no bumbuckler. You understand? No, my people, go back to my people again. My people. When I go disappoint nobody for me, no TV vision. We say me go. I never work with Rosalie. Nobody cares. I'm not going to make it sound like something like that. You know what I mean? You know, you don't stress upon the mood and make people know something that happen. When I just come out here, but the first time I was supposed to do the live, my internet, the live, it never is a case of more to be disrespectful to nobody at all. Whenever you want disrespect Rosalie, she been a disrespect me all along, I'm not answer because one of them kind of people, if you know, be disrespectful to especially a woman. You see it? Have the difference behind closed door. You know, I see come on the internet way. So it's a case where I've been want to stop her nice long time and act like big somebody because we part. So I'm supposed to act like big people even when we part. So I just stop her now and she done and she rotate it. I can't just know, alright then, you say you're done. We can work on you them now. Why we can't do that? We can't accept that I go on. Jake's gone back to this and Jake's that and Jake's that and Jake's that. I look like waste man, I look like punk. I want to take me for. I want to really take me for, brother. Brother, no calm down, brother. You see?
People, as you know, hear me say, me take everything on TikTok with a grain of salt. Me have to tell GX, don't make sake of Rosalie crutches. You know what I mean? The people in top give you. There is better crutches out there. Me know say love is involved, emotions is involved. But some of the time you have to stifle them the emotions there and move on with your life. Rosalie deal with the wickedest way upon the internet. People me say me take the thing them with a grain of salt because it can be a tactics to get GX to get popular while Rosalie bring him down. Yes, so me I say me take everything with a grain of salt, but me I say GX, love Rosalie, go on about your business. You should even come say on a co-parent. Because the people them a say, so how them a come tell with that? I know something more them did have to come tell with. Something in a something man, way. You know what I mean? The people them wanna idiot. So you have to be careful how you do, me G, because them we read into some things where them not have to read into and not no go so where them are go come up with the conclusion or where them are reading to. So some of the time you have to be careful what you say. You know what I mean? Stay far from Rosealee. When Rosealee can give you, you should have said nothing. You should have block her. And then you would have get more support. But I don't know, tell me what you think, people.
Nobody now go back to nobody and whatever. You know what I mean? If you live a life away, me over here stand straight over there, so we have fling big stone off of each other straight, and we have quick and watch me. But two people them a look for we have fling stone off of each other straight. Enough of you know that we attack and you know wish that. We don't live so with phone people them brother and we part. We not phone people them part and we not live so. So like how me go on movies and she go and then she stop chat. Me not gonna be the person that's like how me have the edge now. We gonna start no me a man. Look like waste man brother. Look like punk. Me go like gal. People gonna go. Me have to go shop for myself. For my mother and me youth them. Me, my mother and me youth them. You see? So people come talk this and talk that, brother. Somebody say I don't trust her, sorry. I have a right if you don't trust her. 3 more flowers, 2 more.
That rose,
2 more
rose.
person flowers.
8 rose, 8
I have
rose
a right
chat.
if you don't trust her. I have a right if you don't trust her.
That 8 rose.
I understand? Remember, you know. I don't know if I don't grow with your granny, you know, but I grow with mine. I'm learn say Jakes, learn to forgive, but not forget. You understand? Don't forget what anybody do to you. You might forgive them, but don't forget what they do. So say you're not giving them a second chance to do it again. You understand? Yeah. So if even a friend, if it's even a friend, violate you. Your friend and you and him grow together, your mother know for your mother and you know, we have to deal back. But don't forget what him did to you. We have to talk back together and start partying and raving, but him did do that quick. You know what I mean? Don't forget. That's the moral.
I'm gonna use a chipper.
So may I ask, still, when I really ask, it's for the people who use the team vision to understand my reasoning and stop gravitate to. You understand? Because I'm going to be transparent to Uno. We don't owe the rest nothing. You understand? Yeah. Me I talk to team vision. Me not talk to team bus smoke. You know what I mean? If you understand me I try to say. Yeah.
Ivany just say what him say I talk to team vision. I talk to film people him. He just explained that, mama.
So I'm going to always be transparent as possible to my team. People were saying Jakes.
Right.
People put me out there. You understand? Yeah.
Internet, thank you. Chad, use the gloves. Chad, use the gloves, chat. Chat on a snipe.
Share. Look at more now.
Yeah, later, Jakey. Alright, me a there. Yeah.
I'm not alone every time.
Yeah, man. Love.
Team just want to understand, right? Now go back there, so. It never was part of the reasoning. Never part of the reasoning. You see it? Just want me youth them have that relax brain them relax the mentality we are talking about. You know what have them have a jack between the two of we. That's like a tug of war business. No. You understand? Okay. Love and love alone, I appreciate that. And everybody may appreciate the whole of them. Big man thing. Love and love alone. Ganja, the ganja. Big up, chat. Any me. So we can call me. Any for call me, brother. Call me, brother. Call me and stop do that, brother. Stop do that. Call me, brother. And stop do that. I'm telling you now, I see everything. Don't feel like someone see. The comments but I run fast. I see the whole of them. I want to choose for answer some of them. Like a Star Girl just come in a while ago. I see Star Girl. Big up Star Girl. Love and love alone. But we can't answer everybody. So I see what you say a while ago. Any. You see, one love Star Girl. Big up. Chat me a forward. Me a forward. Later.
And I say, shut
Me
up.
not him.
And
Him
shit
have
like
to come
that.
clear the ear bow with
Yeah,
when
which ear?
he say.
Which
Him
ear?
have to
It's
do
how the
it.
man. No, it's how the man feel him talk. Care which ear? How he feel the fun.
If there was a misunderstanding, Chrissy.
No.
Well, my people, it looked to me like say the people and even want Jake's apology are rotted. It look like say the people that don't want Jake's apology. The people don't want to take on themselves from Jake's to rotted. I want this man. Yo, my people, I'm telling you something, man. You see, in life, you have to know what you do. Yes, you have to know what you do and you do what you do. You see me? Well, I hope Jakes get back him supporting, you know what I mean, and can, you know what I mean, continue to build him house and buy up the things them in it. But him don't know, say, this little money where Rosalie I promise you. You see me, I say, you can get more than that from your team. You should never make Rosalie come manipulate the situation and now kind of turn your people in front of you. Jaja, boy, I tell you, sometimes we people, you know what you say. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Look, watch some more.
Oh, no, there's no misunderstanding. It's like a Freudian slip from whatever them say, that is it. Why you need the man to go think about what he wants and offer? The man tell you how he feel about you. You know what the man did? Well, you should have known, say, if you distance yourself from him. The man say, Brina most wanted. You know what that mean? He might talk like he never talked to you before. You never have no interaction with him. That's what the man make you see him distance himself from you. That alone should make you know, say, oh, done. The man said, Brina most wanted. The man could have, if the man felt away about something, the man could have inbox you or send you a text, whatever. See, I'm not going to used to get to him or something like that. He even said, Cheryl, say this about him. I never like this, Brina. You never have to come and do that. The man distance himself from you. Leave the man alone. No, when you want clarification from me, you want him kicking in your face again?
So Cheryl is another girlfriend?
Love this shit. Love it. Make your boy go on. Moving right along. We'll go on now.
When you say Cheryl.
Yankee mash up for you.
Look, stop talking now.
Cheryl.
Hi, Brina. I'm good.
Yeah, you're there in the box.
No. Good evening, everyone. You know, sometimes I think, oh boy, I don't even know if I address this. But Brina, you know the relationship you and I and Jacob. And if Jake sent here something and he came out the way he did today, which I think he called your name, but it wasn't like you were the one who said what was said, okay? But Brina, we could do this over the phone, we could work this out behind the scene, or him come out and him apologize when we explain it. What he did, yeah, I understand. I even said that to him or him do it. But Brina, come on. Christine, come on. We coming from far with Jake. Coming from far. We don't need to pull it down now.
Cheryl, listen.
Yes.
Let me respond first, Cam. No, let me respond first. Cheryl, let me say something to you.
I'm listening.
He had the opportunity to do that before.
Right.
He never. The whole calling her Brina most wanted, distance himself. Him knows Sabrina she name. Him never say Brina. Him could have said Brina. I gotta talk to you after here. If him upset with Brina, he was here over here yesterday. He had between yesterday evening straight up until today to do all of that. Him could have get in contact with the young miss.
So for instance, Christine, suppose you get the screen recording or whatever live. I don't know all the information.
He was over here, Cheryl. He was here yesterday. He was here
on the line. He was on the line.
Yes,
he was on the line when the conversation was having.
How many times I must say he was over here? He was over here. We spoke directly. We said, Jakes, come in here. Listen, said, Jakes, we see you. And me go look, he was here. We spoke to him. We said, Jakes, this and that. We spoke to him. So if you have an issue for that.
Oh, so before. Okay, so maybe something was said when they didn't like. Okay, Brina. I'm sorry that your name called out like that. I said something was said that you didn't like. That's what I'm saying. I said something was said what he didn't like, or it was put out there.
You heard what he said?
You know.
You heard what he said? You heard what he said, Jerry?
This.
You heard what he said?
I hear. I listened to the screen recording. I saw it. Okay. Screen recording. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You know what he said?
I think we can work this out. Like, this is what they want us to do. You know. Hold on, Christine. Christine, come and say something. This is what they want. This is what they want. They want all of Jake support to turn against.
Yeah, but
so that's what's happening.
But Cheryl, Rosealee, but Wallanda Cheryl, say something. Rosealee wanted, and when Jakes do that, Jakes a feed in our Rosealee want because half before Cheryl Jakes come out of Rosealee house, before he come on TikTok, I was the first one on TikTok advocate for Jakes. Me was the first one before a lot of platform.
Exactly.
So it's not like that Jakes never talked to me before. Jakes speak to me more than one time. Jakes speak to me.
That's why I'm saying, Brina.
So when Jakes are gonna do that, Jakes are gonna make it look like, oh, you never talked to me before on phone. Me never have a conversation. We never speak about nothing at all. Where you do that because him say, yeah,
that's why I'm saying for the relationship that you, Jake, and I have, And if something said that he take out of proportion and he put it the way he did, we can work this up there and we don't need, it's like we're pulling down people who want us to in an argument. Because the first thing why I correct something on TikTok lawyer today is that they're saying that I am against Jake and I don't talk, I leave the camp because I'm upset.
Let me say something to know. Why always I run out and I do some form of damage control for Jakes? Jakes can't chat for himself. I went in chat him, fuck up everything. Pardon my friend.
Hold on. In every camp or every group, don't there someone always come out to sometimes things said and you have to correct things, you have to say, okay, this is not, then the person they come out after.
Jake's not star, the star, PR for stars. Jake's not a PR. We're PR do for Jakes. Jake's a star.
Christine, Jake is gonna address this. He's gonna address it. But
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more and then we are going to move on to the next.
Just saying, I was just passing.
Contact you before in command.
I was just passing. I was just passing and hear the live, so that's why I jumped in.
What he said is how he feels, and it's okay. That's fine. Tell him bye.
And I don't think he. Christine, why are you? What's going on here?
No, because we're good. Let me tell you something.
We're good over here.
No, let me tell you, Cheryl. Don't come on and every time Jakes do something, oh no, everybody run out and soften the blow with everybody all over the place.
All right. I am not gonna soften the blow. I was just trying to correct something. There's misunderstanding in this statement, and I think Jake will address it. And Brina, already as I called you, I explained that to you, Brina. Something break down here. Jake will explain it. So we at the same time. Go ahead.
Cheryl, so if I come on live, go address time, go address it behind the scene. Which one?
Which one you prefer?
What you mean? Which one? Cheryl?
No, I am saying. Hold on. No. He did it online, so I expect him to open his live and say something. Okay?
All right. Okay.
Brina and I and Jake different. We will talk on the phone, but I'm just saying.
That me I say, I ain't live if you can open and talk about. But I don't know where Brina stand on it. Nobody me not tell Brina what to stand on it. But as far as anything happening in the future with him and the baby mother, I have nothing to say.
Me too.
Zero to say.
That would make two of us.
We come over here and I want you back stop and kick me for James over here. See Chrissy, ever they come and I say James. I say Chrissy, easy pad him no man. Ask Chrissy.
Cheryl, let me tell you, let me say something. A lot of people over here, maybe they not go over there and them not give James regularly like that. But them we go over the list, top up the screen, and when the house finish, Jake's not even know where the people the plan where the people them have over here. And then when him come do that now, when feel the people them are gonna do?
We're gonna apologize and fix this. We're not gonna make our people turn against it. We need all the support we have now. We're coming to the finish. We're not gonna make that happen. We're gonna correct if there's a problem, we're gonna correct it.
I trust that it will happen.
Not no.
Okay. Well, I can. If that's how you feel, I can't say anything. But you have to apologize about it, and we'll move on. I can't foresee. I can't say anything else. If you're still not going to accept that, then it is what it is.
No, you know what my problem? Jake should adjust me with TikTok liar. That's a number one. Yeah, that's the way you go wrong. You go wrong, bang. When you go adjust me with TikTok liar, when you go wrong, you speak like you don't know me. Me and people in my real life argue with both Jakes and say no, Jakes is not that type of person. He's not. But when you go do that, you make it look like say your baby mother upper hand and stuff like that. I say you make it do your baby mother gonna laugh. Because you're gonna see, this a girl rosealee black me because of Jakes.
Exactly.
And we always a beat her fit. It just
and him we beat her.
It just feels fucked
she
up.
not make him be a man and be a father.
And that is something that I know. That is something that I know.
It just feels fucked up. And it's not like say and I like say you know that
for the beginning now, we were saying, Brina, me, and a couple others were saying that Jake's an abuser because how she can go to and date. And we have the first platform.
The first one. The first
platform we talk about it. This is
before anybody else company. Like
I know
it happened today, Cheryl, so people are gonna feel away today.
I know, I understand.
Today,
I understand.
Remember you call me and tell me about it. Me no know that. Me no know what going on TikTok.
When I see it, and I said
you tell me even in a one group on TikTok, I'm gonna check it group for no say one video Jake's Bill Wall video. You call me and make me know say whatever. And I suppose you say, no man, I have to go come home, I have to go come on me yard now.
That is to show you at the end of the day, we're trying to clear it up. Because when I saw it, I was like, why did he even call name? And I even talked to Jake about this. We and I spoke about it. So I'm just saying to you, let us calm down tonight. If we bash him tonight, tomorrow, and whatever. I mean, I understand when you deserve bashing, you get bashing, but oh my.
But Cheryl, you see what we were talking about yesterday? We wasn't talking nothing about, like, so we were talking nothing about Jake's. I'm
going to say something. Things was saying in the group. I don't know who was saying. To be honest,
but the man was say him no people see you him come tell we say Rosalie for the man.
There was information that was saying in the group. To be honest, there was things saying, you know, because remember I called you and I was correcting something that was said in the group yesterday too. Remember I called you about it?
Yeah.
Because that's what I'm saying. We have different relationship. We correspond. So really and truly, if something said now where Christine always feel upset about it. I know she upset about this and everyone else, but guys, we're really sorry about how it was said. And at the end of the day, Jake could just approach and address it.
Alright, Jake, if you understand, alright, Cheryl, we understand we understand where you come from, and we understand, and everybody we did it over here. With their advocate for GX, so it's just like we're gonna feel offended. We're gonna feel offended. Like
with kids glove, like him a pitney. Am I not pitney? Why you have to go we're
not doing him with gloves. That's not the case. That's not the case. But if I hear the bashment of him going on now to something,
too big pitney.
But if I hear the bashing, like it bashing from life to life, you know, like you just want, and these are our people. You guys are
Cheryl, listen. Cheryl, well on. You see yesterday when Jakes come over here and Nessa come over here, at the same way Ivany feel. We feel too. And the thing, you see what happened last night with Rose, where Rose the last night? Why she feel so? Why you think so she have the need for do that? Because of him give her the strength and the power to do what she do.
All right, you and I will talk.
And the same thing we are talking about. Oh, all right. Later.
Have a good night, ladies.
All right, my people. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more, and then we are gonna move on to the next.
Yeah. Good night.
Good night.
At the end of the day, it's Brina's the one that got bashed. Okay? Nobody was bashing Jakes. They said the chapter closed. That's all. And we don't.
And Brina alone, because Brina is not the only one having conversation. The whole way over here, the whole way.
Yeah, and that me tell them to Chrissy because that thing said Brina and the people them in our box.
We bashed Jakes tonight. We say ungrateful and the chapter closed and we done and we say if Jake's name come up, me I go swear at that we say. There was not them bashing Jakes. Jakes is the one that did the bashing.
I mean, so no care
so go to GX and talk to him about the bashing. No bashing at me as so.
Anything. Me no be this really at that. Me say me no bashing.
I don't need to hear what he needs to say. What he said is how
me tell
me no want him sit down and think about what he want to say. Like he go write one speech and I say if he can start.
Exactly. He said what he had to say.
I'm confused. Come make your way upstairs. Go ask her. For Annie, I say, Annie come like around 30. You must have been like that, man.
And it look like it's something that coming a wrong turn, you blind? One bite, any bite, me I tell you, not even medication can help you. You're dead. Let's eat that animal. And it coming like predator. Hey! Why? Start support you because you start do the things where your woman see your name and do. And you start prove to weep on the internet. So when you be a mother that see a lie, and everybody stand up with you and support you. Whereas look how we see I do good for the kids. For only go back to the person, the class and bring it on. Now I'm going to me still kind of me a lose support. But I'm tell you TikTok run. And if you cut me, I go black in. What do you mean by one? Mom! Put it, everything you cut back, you can't come to me. Mommy! Call me, can't take it nice. Me not pity for them walk up and me and call me, you know. Oh, where you go with the chair? You're not climb now. Go watch TV. Go on. Put on the chair. If you're in a room, you're in a room. If you're in your room, you're in your room. Me I tell you now, my point of view with Rosealee and Drake's. Come in here to speak on it. Hey, me can't take it nice. Me can't take it nice. I'm me and mother.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Tell me what you think about Ivany also, because yo, you see Ivany is the last person to give certain opinion on certain things still, you know, because Ivany don't give a F when nobody wants to say or do when she do what she wants to say or do. You understand? So for you, she has to say to GX and Ray and Blay, you know what I mean? Tell me what you think, my people.
No, you see, I'm a only woman here, I'm a person live here. Let me turn on the light. Go and go play with your toys, them innocent. Step off and go on, go on. Go on in there, go on. You see what I'm doing there? Yeah, play with them. Me and I reason about Drake's and Rosealee, no. So first, nobody no vex they two of them one day back and talk about. But I'm go show you one pre. I mean not talk to the local parasite, mongrel, shit pit girl them and man when I have no understanding. Go business. Go look for your man, go music. Go on man, it's not. Hey, let me tell you something. This room is my streaming room. I'm in here talking with you. If you want to talk, you go on in your room. Alright. Now chat, as me say. You see all the woman come on the internet, the woman see your name on front, the woman class you, and she bring you down in the most way. Class and she bring you down. Fine. You know why you get most, may I tell you why you get the most support. You not only get the most support because then I like Rosealee. I tell you why I get the support on TikTok. When Rosealee come talk, say you know, do not see kids them and you're a deadbeat and you do this and you do that. And when we see you come out now and a build house, we see you take care of them and you and them go out and you cook and you give them. We actually assist a boy what the girl did I say alive. Because how come the same person we should say a bad person? And this a person up on the internet. Go on up there, son, my my blood. Get up. In the sun. Me give a big space. You don't need to come now near my light. I better go back where you come from. Say fair. Eyes. Me now go do this today now. Chill out yourself. Alright, watch. You not gonna see me. I take him out and put him in my room and I go close the door. And he must stay in a film room and mingle in a film room. Me in my streaming room. Now fling it off of me and say something, no fling him. Yeah, that see you raw tonight. If people them pan the live would I tell you testimony. Fling it off of me and say. I swear to God if you flip me, say me that whip out him BD senior. So chat. Alright. We should say you take care of your kids them now and the things them. Fine. I say people right now. And I say people that rate and people that love you now. I have built us. It's a good move. You hear me say? It's a good move. Say people then start support you. No. Drake, you have to look back into life and see the struggles, you know. When Froggy Come on to call her people them love come for me. So let me say Froggy. When Froggy did their own our 3 Ninja Turtle them, she never remember nothing about you. She never put no 2 cents for build your house. You know who help you build your house? Your hard working build your house. When you have to click your life 7 a.m., 8 a.m. from morning till an idea when you say nothing now go on, you come off and you come back. And the people them pan life help and support you. Look how much time you try go number 1 and the girl shoot you down and send her harm with them come take you down. Me see woman make how much money one night and go as far as for end her life and come shoot out the whole of little make what she make for shoot you down. And your people them over there stand firm with you and shoot for you and thing them. Through rocky storm, I and the people them. You have to understand, you're not going to lose the whole of your supporters in the internet will break you. And I see a lot of my supporters, them have to run who left me. I mean, I get them I don't want reason, I don't want situation like me diss them. You see, sometimes enough is enough. Yeah, we have some people who genuinely fuck with you and I give you, you know. But like them I say, boy, no matter Vany not too much mix up. I can't bother if I see myself a shoot over Vany live. Especially when the mix up get to a point where you start disrespect. All the other people get involved and them society get serious. People jaw with fire for them look a thing there. No. You don't understand, you know, and that's why I jaw with myself because I now go make when they laugh come and they laugh for you, they laugh for me too, you know. It's not gonna work, but that's why I jaw with myself because guess what? You see if we didn't know say Rosealee, Froggy, oh shit. Froggy, I'm sorry, I'm not even talking about that. I'm talking about Froggy. It's a whole different story. You see, if we didn't know say Froggy, whatever little thing she go on with Drake's did pure, it would have said bad. It's not pure, she's on a mission. I bet she's up on a mission. You see, if I did co-parent and really a co-parent, why the co-parent could have did go on before the Fantastic Four mashup? No, me just say. Why co-parenting never go on before the Fantastic Four mashup? Why co-parenting could have did start before vice nota leak and friendship mashup and man in a problem and this and that and all sort of them something here. Why co-parenting could have work? She not have nobody else for jaw to. So she have to jaw back to you. And she also realizing that she'll lose couple or 2 supporters them too. And you think she not read through comments? She have to read through comments and see people them. As much as though we probably not highlight some of in the comments like reply to no, we as rank and see every blood clot comment. Cause if me can sit down and see one.
Some people, you what go on, you know, I don't know, so I take everything with a grain of salt. So I 100% believe everything what go on the internet, right? Especially TikTok. So, you what go on, I feel like my people. I feel like say the comment to Ivany I said them read as a creators and something. The comments them when them read and people attack some things in the comments. You know what I mean? The fact say other woman I find GX attractive. The fact say him soon done him house and the fact say Rosealee maybe find out say Hakeem really don't want her because from morning the dog never really want her like that. People say we don't know if it's true or what. You know what I mean? So maybe that's one of the things and one of the factors why Rosealee I try complain nice to GX, you know, to get in with GX. Good is just a mastermind plan where Rosealee develop to get GX F up and mash up because she knows that the closer she get to GX, the further GX are going to get from him goals and to achieve him house for done. The people them are going to dash him on one side, so she come up with that just to see him bring down. That's my opinion. Tell me what you think.
Screen recording with me and it have 1,000 comment and me read out 1,000 comment in the blood clot comment. Who is the rest of them finna sit down and read for them little thing? She know what she had do. Remember, me study her, you know. Me know her like it back of me hand. I'm tell you, it's the first time when Drake's company app. Remember, me can't dig up for the screen record. Froggy have never disrespect. Doing them the time there. She never diss him because of them past relationship. She never diss him because he not be a good father. She diss him because they're number 1. You know what she turn on her live and say, you not last up there. Cause them a bring you down over here like how them bring down me. You think over here nice? You're not last up there. As such she did a go on because she see up at number one. A gifting is our problem gift. She don't work. She don't want a relationship with Drakes, you know. I'ma block you. Here somebody says stop calling my name, so she really name Froggy for you. It can be your own people them. Lord God, I'ma block you. Somebody says stop calling her name, that means she name Froggy for you. She cussed because of the number one. You see some people come in your life, they can't drain you physically or hurt you physically, them do it mentally. I'm telling you, she'll come to take a little shine. She know what she doing. She knows that the people them not like her. So the moment she go with you, them a got this, put it down. Put it down. Me go top. You have one more chance. One more chance you have. She knows that once you're in her click head, the people them are gonna turn upon you. That's all she wants you to do, lose supporters. And you see moment she realize now so the internet a beat you bad and them take time a draw from you, that's when she go drop you and gone back to her fantastic for them and laugh off of you. And you're so fool, you're so stupid, you don't even open your eyes and see what go on. You're not even assisting nothing about it, not pure. If you Rosalie like it, Rosalie eat it like a pies. Me not ask you. Rosalie no want I'm not born him. Rosalie no want a relationship from you. Akim Rosalie want. Rosalie just see so you have a shine and she can't take that way. With she give you, she bring hatred for you, but she realize that she hating you and I thought the most negative thing about you that not take away your support. Remember now when you try something and that not work for you, go try another way. So 18 and you now work, now make you lose support. Alright, I'm go friend him. I should go friend you. Help you build a house, then we go hear about it, you know. Take money from her for build a house and see if we not hear about it. We'll go friend her up and you and her up on screen or laugh on the thing. And we don't live near each other and we see. I go make 2 TikTok video and make we see how it go on. Look a big from this when Akim go in a film office and fix up where I have to fix up and finally get back the Fantastic Four them together. Cause I see worse by your cousin. I see 2 enemy click by you and them I live to see a friend today. The amount of people I see with worst enemy by you and I'm surprised. Yeah, not even me, we surprised when, even me too, yeah, we surprised when they say who we friend back or who we turn back friend. So it's not surprising for them and Rosalie got turn back friend. I tell you, with all them the disgrace then we go right back to being friends. And then we think I got when all of them turn back friend and think Mary again. You think she want your company? You think she want to stick around you? She'll start classy again. She want classy again. And guess what? The people them on TikTok say, when I give a fuck boy, we did tell you. Now look. I know what she gonna do. She gonna sit down in her bed one night and scroll through comments and just a laugh and just a read them and a laugh. Why? Because she get what she want for the people them hate you and talk about you and say they not support you again. For that. Social media is a place where you can make millions. Right now you have people on social media make money. That them a top baller and top footballer and them basketball player. Believe you me. All of them people you we see have a life pro to 10 million diamonds in a 1 month to get life pro. And we talk about 10,000 US. A 10,000 US a 10 million diamond. No more than that. In a 1 month. Never make money. So make people them stay there make she mash up your plan for done your house. Stay there make she mash up your plan for done your house. Oh boy, you were first thing she said me go help you build the house. You did tell her say you want help? You got your bed you know. You got your bed you know. Alright, so you're there for half a chance. And then you know what hurt me most too when I go over here, I say, why did I run the girl? Who my baby mother? You see how people just fling things in your face. That's why I say me learn my you see that. You see if me not learn nothing on TikTok, me learn to leave people when me see in a friendship. Me not pick side, me love them friendship, familyship, relationship. Me not have no officer, me not pick side. It could have been my two friends them, me not look. Because you will never know when them are going to turn head and shame you. You never know when them are turn head and shame you. Yeah, I say me chat too much. Me no intend, me say me chat too much. I say, alright, my dear. But me no hear thing do. Cause you can't stop a man from doing it. Sometimes you have to just love people.
Alright, my people. So them have a saying where them say if you can't beat them, join them. And to me, that Rosalie I do right now. Rosalie I join Jakes because she find out that she can't beat him. Even the horse, when Jakes I build the horse, Rosalie say, and I fear a dead body that the horse then done. One bag of something she talk about it. As me say, my people, me take everything on TikTok, especially with a grain of salt. Me not believe them something here with them a give it, cause enough time them come make up story and we don't know if it's a story this them make up. So I just saw me stay. Me I go give me opinion, but as me say, me take it with a grain of salt, so me wouldn't advise you if you believe everything I'll do. It can be real and true. You see me, make me know what you think, make you watch some more.
This is what you tell them. Just like how sometimes me have to learn the hard way also. But it's just weird when you know say that going to happen and the person you see it for themselves, but you see it and then make you tell you say, you never see somebody going to something and you see it wrong, you know. And no matter how you try to tell them, say you know, say you're going to one lion mouth, they just not see it. And you just say, alright, me allow you. And the same way you picture it, the same way you come out for me. Same blood clot exactly. Same way. You just say you want to sleep, boy, go to bed. You want to sleep. You want to sleep. Myself, me I go my website soon go up. I may have new products for now. Nowadays, Jamaican co-parenting different from American co-parenting. American co-parenting, then co-parent and then gone. Jamaican co-parent is like starting over back a whole relationship. Oh, you know see D'Angelani and Rochelle and Dinner. Lord God. You could tell me other words of humble. You could tell me other words, my dear. It's our first start relationship that. For them co-parenting different. Which nothing wrong with it, like. But it's like a cycle. I want to know to say I want a cycle. Cause all of them, some people is just not for you. Me rather they with somebody today. And me and them left, I'm going to a new man. And then I work for a new man, I'm going to a next man, and I work for the man. Then I go back over with the same smart. Me only can repeat with the same smart 2 times. After 2 times, it can't work again, it can't mesh. It can't mesh again. Cause we're just not for each other, we're just not for each other. You know, pray panel body don't fall or nothing, but me give them till 1 week. If they have a misunderstanding or something come. I think I could talk back to nobody who said a girl for beat me still, you mad? I mean, then again, if them have kids together, you know, so. I'm putting a big picnic, me not talk. You see, anywhere the family, me not loving the family, me not stay. Unless the man rich. Only a rich man can make me stay and do certain things, you know. If a man rich now, me will stay and take the money. When a family not like you, what's that when the man not like you, the blood clot. They're coming like poison. Oh, yeah, chat. I'm talking about me. You're trying to do mix me fuck out. One is higher than one back. That just don't know how to fix it. I'm seeing every minute and I cost half me to about. She rich and lonely. If you want to not have money more than a person, then lonely phone. Then lonely phone. Once you not have more money than a person lonely for you. Yeah. Because even if not doing rich and money, what have to do with you? That's one girl coming from the one video come talk about. Donald Trump, you can't send him. Like when me and Blamisha. When me and Blamisha, cause he want to come for everybody. He want to come for my mama. He want to come for my sister. He want to come for my father. He want to come for everybody for me. But the one time I go for somebody for him is a problem. Oh. So true, maybe uno no know my mother, sister and brother on the internet. Uno know film, Nicki Minaj just shoot for him. So me not fi style she because she know him and she never do me nothing. My mother did do him something? No. Anybody roll me with my class? None of them do him something? Fima call them in a cuss. That's why I tell you some money is the root of all evil. When you have money you can't spend, then look for you as God Almighty. That's how people stay, them church. When you have money, you're on high levels. Because you for this everybody it for me or will surround themselves with me. But me not for this nobody will surround themselves with you because I catch you them the up here so come suck me and them. Yeah. Come stop me. And I come talk about send her home. And me never can understand that send home problem there. Cause me just not get it. Alright. Make a reason as big people. You say me in America me I get trouble. Right? Send her home. When me go Jamaica, me still can't give same trouble when me go in America. What difference it be? Me still can't give same trouble. Me still I got to trade in and make money. Twitch still not gonna pay me. TikTok still not gonna pay me. But I go play games and still get my money. What difference it make when me in America like when me there in Jamaica? When I just don't like. When I just don't like one person I win. And fam, nobody can make me go home. None. Not even the president can take you up and just put you up on one plane without processing. You still have to go through. You think the president is the biggest man in our world? Him can't even just get up and put one rules and just say rules pass. The rules have to go through people before it pass. Because I couldn't sick on the Likkle no head. The Bible tell you about governors and tell about only stupid people. We praise the government, them down home that praise God.
The people, let me tell you something, man. Yes, when it comes to the Almighty, the religion thing and them something there, confusion with people, confusion. We just stick to spirituality. Here and lower religion. Because religion I go always have the people divided. Stick to being spiritual because there is a supreme being. You know what I mean? So stick to that than be religious. You see me? Because where Ivany I say people praise you and I don't lie. You understand me? I say they make the people the celebrity them. Even Ivany herself did a praise Nicki Minaj when she just forward and something. You know what I mean? But Ivany then can't tame. You see it? So let me know what I think my people. Because as we say about the religion thing, me know say I'm not part of this, but you Ivany refer to the situation with Nicki Minaj and people praising people like them are, you know what I mean? Me just drop that part they in. You see me? So let me know what I think. I can watch some more and then we're gonna move on to the next people.
Yeah, the Bible tell about people like you. It's like black hair from the drunk. You can't see me back on screen with him. You get on a jayfden them style, man. Fully black. Fuck a wrong foundation I put on. That one is nice but it's oily, me not like it. You know, so me know so I don't like that. Me can't sell foundation, guys. Me can't sell foundation because you have to know what type of I don't know how people sell foundation. You have to know what type of color for buy, what shade. I don't have time for that. Yeah, me can't bother with that. Me just want out of every makeup products me say me would want me not sell foundation. I'm gonna advise you to just go on website and just buy foundation. So yeah, I've never done that all the days of my life. Me just get up and go buy foundation. Me have to go in a store and try it on my face. Test it on a sponge and try it on my face because today you're dark and tomorrow you're bright. Today your complexion high, tomorrow your complexion low. So you can't just say I get up and go buy foundation, so I say it. May I just try foundation, so may I forgot. If I go in a store and try it on, I make our sister, yeah, I might shade this. Can imagine go buy my foundation and it's not a shade. Is this finished? But me have a whole heap of makeup stuff. For sure. No. Me have a whole heap of foundation. I have no foundation. But I try to find a light one for my skin. I don't want to seem too dark. LA, I like LA. I like LA foundation. I'ma have mirrors, like a little LED mirrors them where you can put in your bag like when you have a party. I'ma have them with my logo. I have them in a pink. I'ma have a lip scrub. It come with a 2-in-1. Like one day on your son, one day so. You scrub your lip with your strawberry lip scrub. And then you put it on the lip balm. So all who smoke and then something you have black lip, or when your lip is strip, you just use a scrub. Oh look, all the foundation I have. I'm gonna pimple right there. I'm put a little bit on my forehead. I feel like that's one thing more work on my eyebrows and I'm not gonna do that. What is it? What is it? May I come? Well, I forgot pause because I'm changing that one. And the TV pausing on if you can't change. May I come? Wait. Eyes. Eyes. May I come? Wait. Boy, wait here, man. I think you're on the media. The top part now, I forgot use bronzer. Alright. You wanna sleep? Let me see our time. You go to your bed. You're talking.
Check out my page, check out your page. Me keep on, I think of my page in my talk. That different, me follow the page of course. Coming back again. No, me I clean the moderator system. I'm cleaning, me I clean moderator. Moderator system, me I clean from top to bottom. Yeah. A whole heap of people out there don't like me. I rather have no moderator. Nowadays, me understand when the people them say no have no moderator. Me have moderator were loyal, they with me from day one and them not do me nothing. But the one that will take time and come from my page and go take them and them say one come style me. Me have moderator from Wapi a kill filo. They hear me I tell you long time them sit down on my page. You understand me and help me out. That the new one they will come round, no for them. Me I tell you say some Judas. Them 8, 9 and 10 me. You understand what me I say? You know say what they are? Me say Candy do one interview. Me say Candy do one interview with Right Q. And me say when me hear when Candy say this, I swear to God. When I say Candy don't, but him never say it better. Right Q ask Candy what them hate him for, what them fight against him for. Candy said them fight against him because he can't make content and because him don't. Candy said because me don't and me can't make content. A girl can't hate you, a boy can't hate you for nothing at all. Just see your ways and your style and your pattern. You understand what I say? You not have to rich for a girl hate you. A person can't hate you for your style and your pattern. A person can't hate you for your energy. You understand what I say? So when me hear Candy say them hate me because me don't say me and make content, me say that is so real. Because them hate me for nothing. For a woman we are trying, me never come out here and boast and tell nobody say I have it. Me never tell nobody say I'm rich. Me never come out here to come boast from people. Me say hard trying woman, I don't know that. People just like me genuinely. You understand what I say? I've seen how people come out here and eat on me and carry belly for me. It's a surprise. I'm gonna come on social media, come trouble people. I'm gonna come up here so, and when I come on, I click my live, and me I talk about that the girl there, and me I talk about that the girl there, and me I talk about that the girl there. I don't do that. The only way you see me, I cuss people on social media unless your company media come diss me, I'm diss your back. You understand what I say? Right? I'm gonna tell you. Gone. And they don't want nothing from me. I just bless them, come bless me. And them gone about their business. So me, I go sit down yourself on social media fight with nobody over no gift.
Alright, my people, you see what I know with TikTok is that these people don't like each other. That's a number one. And you gift them what you have, you can lose your gifter by the snappers of a finger. You see me? And if you can lose your gifter so easily, them never love you in the first place. Them come boy for some hype or something. You see me? Because somebody can just come take away your gifter so easily. You know what I mean? I never did your gifter then. Make that gifter they go on. You see me I say? And then again, you can't really tell a person who to give them things. I feel them one if them feel like to give you for a period of time. I feel like to stop thank them and you know what I mean, make them go on their merry way. If I that them feel. So make me know what I think my people. Make go watch some more.
You understand what I say? Because me not bad mind no girl for their money. Me not bad mind no boy for their money. You understand what I say? No for them sit down on social media, me I tell you what them do. Them sit down and watch the gifters them will give you. They sit down and watch how much views you have. They sit down and see the people that will support you. And you know what them do? Them turn back around for your same supporters them. You understand what I say? Because a bad mind. You're not happy rich. The people bad mind you. You understand what I say? So me don't know how a girl I go sit down and bad mind people over gift on TikTok. Eh? And a girl I go see your people they will support you and the girl attack all of my supporters them. The girl attack all of my supporters them. The girl going on me gifters them inbox. And at least me gifters them. And I threaten my people them. Well go on fat front. You understand what I say? If somebody come up here and say right now come talk to me, she trap down the person and run and call the person and diss up the person. You understand what I say? Them type of movement, the brother, some sick type of movement. A sick, you sick girls. You're sick. I'm not playing a game. I'm not playing a game. That's okay. Let me tell you something. You see, if me, they are up on social media, I want to understand this. I'm come here, so I don't make $1, I'm still a eat. Me come here so me no make $1 and a person no gift me still a eat and me still a drink. And me come here so me make $1 me still say thank God for everything what you can do for me. Father God bless me. Thank you, Father God. You understand what me I say? Right? I saw it go. Me no need of you to believe that. I don't need of you to believe anything is coming out of my mouth. It's not for you to believe. It's for me to know. It's for me to know. From what anybody see me as a rank? None of you no see me a rank. None of you no see me sit down and play no game. I relax myself and I easy myself. You know what burn me? I can't open my mouth and talk. It's because that girl there is a Judas. That girl there is a Judas. You know what the girl do? The girl end up sending her people them over here come friend me. And the girl come over here so come friend me. She's a snake. You get what me I say? When they take a stack of the same dirty girl send the girl over here. And the girl come and friend me and pretend like say we are not a friend. You get what me I say? The girl is a Judas and a snake. Me want to ask the question. Where you know? Where you know me from? Where you know me from? Have you ever known me? Have you ever seen me before? Me and your cousin, your uncle, your auntie? Me and you ever par? Me know you, me not know you. So why are you so intimidated by me? Why you so intimidated by me? Me not care about none of them. Me not give a fuck about no Jabbas. Me not give a fuck about no Jayfden. Me not give a fuck about none of them. I don't give a fuck about none of them because the whole of them are the same thing. The whole of them are the same thing. Jabbas, Jayfden, the whole of them are going in the same thing. And when them are pretend and are going like them up to the same thing. It is no difference. So I don't give a fuck for none of them. Have your own child. And you sign where you pity them like a puss kitten. And you are going to tell me say you want to come past social media come class blood clot people. You can't class nobody. No girl will not take care of them blood clot people can't class me. No girl will give up the right to them own child. Cannot blood clot class me. Big old girl can't intimidate me. From a girl can sign over the rights to our pitney and give her own pitney. You can't come class no matter upon social media. You can't come here so come cuss nobody and tell them about motherhood. You hear that, girl? You hear that? You can't argue with nobody. Cell crutches, blood clot girl. Stinking blood clot girl. You can't argue with nobody pa here so. Cook out old girl. Only can go on and make people go and intimidate you know. You understand what I say? Every day this stinking girl get up and dip on my name and dig till she dig shit. Every day the girl dip on my blood clot name, you know. The girl eat me like a dose of pies every day. Before the girl even am breakfast, a honey she dip on. Tell me the truth now. The girl baby father eat her. Me I tell you that. Our baby father 8, 9 and blood clot 10 hour. Our own baby father is a petty blood clot file. The investigator baby father. So our baby father couldn't keep the blood clot pitney. You understand what I say? So she come go on like she live good blood clot life. She live no blood clot life because me so come cuss nobody. She pussy rub about like a car blood clot tire. No girl with them pussy rub out like a car tire car not chatting with me. Try know that. When you say restart, me not get no warning yet. You feel like when me a come out here so me a cuss If me not cussing a blood clot gift. Me I tell you the truth, girl.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch a bit more. And hear what Anya say, and then we'll go over share and hear what she have to say, my people.
Come on for me. Come on for me. Yeah. Crazy.
From the year start, not the year, yeah. Last year. What? I need to take you one of the 12 months last year. 2025, you take the whole 12 months for yourself. I don't know. Eh? You give up the right to your child. But me never give up the right for them sell out our pussy. Like how you give up the right for Mika sell out her hole. Like how you give up the right for Aki and fuck blood clad Zoe. You see the difference, you're not getting it. And I'm going to repeat it again. I give up the right to government take care of sure, but I did not give up the right to them sell out her pussy. That's the difference. Good. You get it now? Mothers like we out here, so we are struggling with business. You don't know nothing about that. Of course, me don't know nothing about struggling. Because obviously, while I was growing up, and when I fuck and make sense. Uno fuck like uno mad. Me glad say me never go through what uno go through and uno suffer with uno one. So me no plan for suffer with none. Cause when me fuck one man. You understand? Two big blood clot difference. When me fuck one man at a time. Me pussy never come here for multiply. Divide, subtract and blood clot plus. So of course, Annie, me don't know how it feel to suffer with Pitney. And that is good. See, your mother can't give up the rights to her own child. You don't have no more to talk about nobody Pitney drunk. Again, I'ma just explain to you already. Again, Annie. Again. Let me repeat again so you understand. I gave up the rights to my child, but I never give up the rights to them fuck out our wall. While you give up the rights for Jayden fuck blood clad make up for vybz, and you give up the rights to Aki walk while I'm cocking a Zoe pussy. You hear again? Okay then. Cause you don't know what be up in there. Me don't know what should I send out an Amber Alert. 3.4 million I wanna put out a Amber blood clot alert and tell him say sure missing. Send out the blood clot search team and tell him to come look for her. When they find her, bring her blood clot here. So how could you talk about somebody else's child? Eh? You come go like you're smelly shit. Remember when you did Jamaica, you saw go, you did a dance and rub out your crutches. Anybody come from Mountain View? Rallington Town, Gilset Street, Burger Gully, Homestead Road. Annie, me dey on soundbox from soundbox to soundbox, Annie. I used to work for Ramesh. Me dey car wash, me dey Jolly, me dey Backbush, me dey blood clad Jakes Road, me dey blood clad Sanders, me dey everywhere, Jarrah Lane, Rockford, you name it. What? What? Are you for real? When you near Jamaica, you saw every man fuck you. Every man gonna fuck you when they don't wanna fuck you. Every man fuck you and duck you when you're near Jamaica, shit. Call them out. What them name? Bring them come to the forefront. Call out the one of them. Call them out, Annie. father at all. Anybody know Denise knows a Denise tall. Of course, my foot have the big doll in size 9 and proud. But once use it and step in your big pussy when I have no pink blood clot in there. More use a oil paint. More use my foot and paint out your big hole with one blood clot oil paint so it can stay. Water paint can paint out your big pussy when I have no pink in there. Appear blood clot white. And that me want do. More use my big size 9 and step in your big pussy with one thinner oil paint, no blood clot and paint out your hole. Size blood clot 42. If you're a young blood clot girl like you. Big one blood clot shade. Talk it through now. Look at my foot, girl. Look at my foot. Bitch. 6 and a half. A man can look by you. By your lips. And your size way up here. Big. So Annie have lips? You have lips? No, you have lips? Come here, you have lips? Cracky dacky blood clad Annie, you have lips? Them the big black lip they look like you're born cool? You have lips? Eh? You have blood clad lips? Which way you stay and get lips from? You wear size motherfucking 42. And so, yes. I don't make your whole and comfortable. I don't mean make your whole and comfortable. Now, that's the reason why Queen didn't have to show up her face one day upon live. I got them most of Queenie face. Yeah. Only I realize your Queen didn't have to come push up her face upon live for what you're not hearing in the background. Them most of Queenie blood clot face. Queenie have a one extra bad man. Queen you go one extra bad man can you use dildo, eh? So the bike when you go by a road, you go like your man. I boy bust up her face with a phone. Why don't see Queenie and come out and Queenie can't show her face? How because they bust up Queenie face. One phone licking her forehead she get. One.
Alright, my people, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll watch some more of this and we're gonna go over me not remember, but we have our next thing to share before we end it, so let me know what you think.
She blood clot get me, she go sit down and go one side. Yeah. Queen, you run go drop the scissors. Why do you want to stop the man? Yeah. And if you put her in her place, she have to dash with the scissors and run. Yeah. And only for people know about them at Belgium. Yeah. She is a bully. You know a place where she living up, and government are pay feet. What?
You get looking at face with phone and bust.
Annie. Who bust some Queen face, Annie? Tell me more. Where, Annie? And Belgium police not come for me. And they know when me leave where Shade Stewart live. What, Annie? Belgium police not come pick up blood clot me? What? Where? When?
You must be shoot up my face in the camera. Look how much time I come here in the camera come talk to people.
You understand what I say? She can't go listen nobody. We need to go one door fridge what she have in her place. One door fridge. But do you own any? I have a one door fridge. And it's called a Samsung one door fridge. Yes, Annie. But Annie, you don't own any. You see the difference? You live in a one place where you have it come with furniture. Make up your mind. 1 minute me tea for fridge, next minute me have one door fridge. Make up your mind. Cause the last time I checked the fridge depend the way I come to Belgium. I come like you sound like you know no sense. You sound big and full and dumb. You know make no sense. Me not hear you clap no tear now. From what you not hear Queen in the background. People not hear Queen have a blood clot there. If you don't hear her, she dey work. She work from Monday to Friday. If you hear her today, Saturday, she dey home. If you hear her Sunday, she dey home. But from Monday to Friday, you won't hear her because she work. What?
I'm not telling you, Annie.
You sound big and stupid and dumb. But she and young lobster. Everybody knows that the lobster over there on your mood, girl. Ain't that one like you live blood clot life? Because you have to pay for the drugs for your cure in your pussy. Lobster over there on your mood. Lord Jesus Christ. Annie, catch your lobster them in a Belgium. Come here, chat. And your visa. And you come here already and you have lobster, man. You never tell me say Annie I'm good girl. Don't have to pay for the drugs where you can't open at your home. The one bag of drugs where you put where you can't open at your hole. Your hole big like a blood clot suitcase. Your hole big like a barrel. Barrel hole, girl. When you pack up all of them drugs, and if my hole big like a barrel, what that have to do with you? Which one you would I take? Your hole big like out a door. Yeah. My pussy big like a barrel, but your hole big like out a door. Then give wrong news, baby. Oh God. That makes sense when you just say a while ago. No, that makes sense when you just say a while ago. Cool, man. I said you can come out just so she come tell people really and truly what happened to you. You have to lift on people to make yourself be better. I want to some girl. I want to me. My pussy not rotten. I want to me. I want to me. Grass blood. You're not telling people them say you can't drugs in your pussy dog Belgium. No, you get it wrong. It's not in my pum pum. I bring it into a suitcase in a pancake mix, and it's called cannabis. Them give you a wrong story again. And the story what them give you from 2019. You're not clock no tea. Remember say you can't drugs in your pussy dog party in your shade. And police what you know. Remember say you do time in your shade. I should be your story time. I me tell TikTok my story. Boo. Boo. Boo, Annie. Boo. I want to stone you with tomato. What? You sound like say your blood clot and you find out. The last time I take no me come and talk. Annie boo. Remember see a time you do for drugs, you know, where you can't open your crotches, you know. Your big hole. Where could I hold up how much drugs in it? Boo. Guys, she end up overseas. And the reason she end up go overseas is because she carry drugs in her pussy. So chat. Then now me come here, come tell you say me bring the blood clot, come here. No me tell you that. But me not bring it now me crutches and in a suitcase. Pancake mix. Well spread out. Me make blood clot headline. You couldn't know. Cannabis. Cannabis, Annie. Do your research. Pancake mix. Don't do that. I'm the one that come and tell social media what the fuck as a bad girl. No girl no brave like me. Clap that. And then catch her. And she do time fee. So all of the money that we have up on social media, you have to pay about government. What? You understand what I say? You live in Belgium. You give up the right to your own child. And you give up the right to your own child, big pussy girl. I give up my right to my own child, but I never give up the right to sell out our pussy. Like how you give Akiwa the right to sell out Zoe pussy. pussy, and you give blood clot Mika the right for jayfden fuck her. Make it make sense, honey. Make it make blood clot sense. You still not clot no tea. Me give up the right for them blood clot take care her, but me never give up the right to sell out her pussy and turn her in a blood clot or make it make sense. No tea, no clock for me. You understand me? I say you have the heart to come cause me as a woman will grow my opinion, what my opinion decide on me. What you don't know nothing about your opinion. Me no want to know nothing about her. As long as she alright and she's well fed. You have your one then, and them not have no blood clot passage. You give her your blood clot daughter to your baby father Olaba, not Portland. From the little girl a blood clot pitney. You no grow she, so no give her blood clot she too. Since giving away your child to her father is giving away the pitney them. So you never give you have one pitney where you no blood clot grow. And once you come on the internet and the people Vany put her out, you start to cry. So what y'all say? Make it make blood clot sense.
Friend, but we not play no hypocrite to that.
And I don't care if it's a friend. If she
she
will not be in the court.
I think we should end up post. She said she not like me. So the blood clot she want up on screen as a fact.
She know the mix up, but she know the mix up them.
Yeah,
she know the mix up them, dummy.
Yeah, make sure you're not. Yeah, not can't vibes, no, we don't have no problem with that.
They say you should have got something with them, girl. They co-work and they don't like your girl. You see why you should have talked about it before. But you saw, I can't help your girl. Me try, but it not work. Me think me could.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section scene. So we are gonna watch a bit more of this and then we are going to end it, my people. So, tell me what you think.
That convince them.
And don't you
no, the little girl are hypocrite. The little girl are hypocrite. She does so want to say, like, I don't have nothing here.
This boy come by you used to chat the whole away now.
Yes.
You need to chat the whole away and see they start beg now. I'll go fucking fly with a man fucking get here, go and take it back.
Fucking holy. Or if you should hide the money, we carry him in a court too. I should hide the blood clot money. But you're damn hard.
Now, right here we have Ivany and one of the fantastic 4 members. Now, this fantastic 4 members has been going through it a lot on the internet recently. They have been
play back the rhythm.
Listen to me, sir. Listen to me. Because if I follow you, I'm gonna stand up here for the whole day. You just chatting.
Yeah.
All you profile is chatting. Come down, man, this lady.
Play back the rhythm. Let me show you something.
Listen to me. Okay. Because you think this thing is a joke. How long you think I have time to wait somebody on here?
Me and Ivany keep court tonight. Ivany, baby, come here. Ivany.
Yeah.
Come here. Hey,
I'm not nice with 3 people, may I tell you.
No, we always keep with 3 people.
All a turn. Please bear in mind, nothing here is personal, nothing here to damage anyone's life. Whatever you put on the media, that is what come into the courthouse. And whatever you say, stay here. And whatever you bring to the court here, be in the court here. Thank you.
May I get one security if you turn up with one rifle?
Online 3K, 1K.
Oh, they want to Vany, man.
Edland, come back. Edland, we will add you back.
But why?
Boy.
Why did you?
I will add you back. Come back.
No, why did you add me and then you tell me to go out?
It was the wrong person. It wasn't you, Edland.
Vani, you know you get for just...
I never eat me for hard, bro. You
No,
stay
Vani,
me hard. I never eat me for hard.
you have a little dirty side
Why
forward, you
he's
know, to
why
just
is he
but...
screaming?
I got suck your mama little dirty backy, man.
And click your name.
Don't scream. Don't
Alright,
scream. No. Don't scream at me.
Money me want to go up and go mix.
Vani, listen. Vani, you hear me? You hear me? I don't know. Me know say you want to go dating or something. Alright, go and go dating. No hard feelings, cause go on for true. Vani go on, brother. Vani want go, Vani have to play game, I understand. And then we out and we
You chat too much, man. You chat too much, man. You just a yapping mouth. They want to tell you before you go on a little vacation, it's a chat. You chat too much, man. Because I'm not saying that you want to proceed and do about brother. You there, so we are hard. One thing, brother, take you back to slide and you go come by the rascals. You don't say I have a file too. You don't say I have a rascal file. Because me say you have blood clot, big batty girl, you know. Me say you have the big batty girl on vacation, you know. And so me here, you know, say big batty girl if you buy your watch, you know. I say you go on.
Dante. Dante, why we have to reach? Why we have to just turn everything now? Why this reach for my case now?
Everybody have a file. Me know how you feel like nobody safe. Everybody have a file in here.
Dante, yesterday was my birthday, right? Me wrong or me right?
What have you do in this situation?
Yeah, so why you gonna turn out all these things for me now when me just try to make the court process right? Me don't want, you know.
Oh, you feel like after we done with your case, we are going to keep Fantastic 4 now. When we go to Fantastic 4, get your case out of the way now.
Me don't have no case. My case is not a nice like case we are going to entertain in. The only thing me I go tell us say, and people who love and respect me, I want me have a nice birthday. No. Would I stay at me yard? Me that day at me yard. It's the same you know good for me. Because me that day at me yard and me that in a house mad out if me never get a good birthday. So why you bad by me for? Case done.
Me happy for you.
So, alright, then show the case.
Your case cannot be thrown out.
So then
for some case it has to get put off until the next. It cannot be thrown out. And this is not a hypocritical case.
Dante, just listen to my case. It don't make no sense.
So you're telling me that I should supposed to be a hypocrite judge and shove your case under the mud and take up everybody else's case, put in my hand?
Yeah, cause everybody else's case hotter.
I'm gonna put it back till next week.
Alright, good. Thank you. Yeah, pussy clad idiot. Why the fuck you can't talk about my case? So my case
I said I'll put it back till next week. Move on now, no, sir.
Alright, listen. Let us proceed now and get this thing going with a little bit of entertainment. Because people ain't like a little entertainment with a little court. We know it's not a rush. Why all of a sudden court start rush?
What's going on in their life, you know, you never know that. Like me, anytime I want to go Google something, anytime something happen in my life, I click Google button.
No, me just ask the future references, man. Because you know me is a type of you.
When me did find out me pregnant,
yeah.
Me got a bathroom, a bed, and then I realized run and my nipple did black. Everybody experience it different. My feelings then they come so quick. My nipple, the first time I did see my nipple black. Like it just look darker than how it's supposed to look. And
nipple black.
It did dark, it just look extra dark and big. Like my nipple look dark and big.
Some people are Lando do. Breed Emma, the local time, the couple day in Africa. I breed Lando, breed Emma. I walk one here. People, no sir. Tell me one thing, we go watch some more.
I take one test and then I find out I'm pregnant.
So that time in a span of how much days or hours or weeks?
Me don't know, me just
go bathroom and just realize it did dark, and then me just take a test, and then me got a doctor next day. But my belly is young still. Cause then did have to do one test where them have to push something up in my V to see how far me they me did early. You did too.
I saw them test. Me never know I saw them test, man.
Like if you want to know how far, but it too young, then put it on a machine and put something up in your vagina. On camera or something like that, man.
Oh, so before you did
17 rows.
Chat, 17 rows, chat. 17
rows, guys. 17 rows.
Guys, everybody send a rose. Everybody send a rose. So you did feel tired at no point, like all of a sudden you just start feeling.
After me find out, I'm not tired. Did make me find out. After me I tell you, say your mind. You see when you find out you're pregnant, or when you not feel bad, you start feel bad. You will there good and a breed and a know. And one look at something happen for you know. And you see moment you go take a test and you find out you're pregnant. Or when you feel like you want vomit, you go vomit. Or when you feel dizzy, you just feel dizzy because your mind start to tell us you're pregnant now. So all sort of feelings start come to you, yeah. And then it bring down your for you start to get sick.
Alright, so Vani, when you did pregnant for your baby father, feel knows they start swell and them thing there?
Me and him never live. Me and him never there now, just like go and fuck. All the days I like pregnant, I made it by myself, so I don't know what happened to him. Him live elsewhere, me live on my yard. Thank you guys. Guys, double.
Guys, when I catch you speak, guys, when I
have no question to you. What easiest way to get a girl pregnant? Mel, thank you.
Me?
Yeah.
Boy, Vani, that's a very good question, but a wrong person you ask.
Really? Fuck your feelings, thank you. Let's fucking go.
Nice, I don't send 2 Galaxy.
Thanks, babe.
What else me can? Chat, you don't send 2 Galaxy.
Baby, Jamaica or you go Africa?
No, Vani, me not
ready. Yeah, Africa, yeah, man, or go to England.
No, what's up, Vani? Me not ready for them thing, man. Me just had future references, man.
So if you get your girlfriend pregnant, what you do? You da about it or you da for the scare?
It up to she still.
Me nah dash when no pitney, so any man a fuck me be careful, cause me nah dash when no pitney, me can't my pitney.